Moved over to the patio for unit number 1. Going down the stack just to see if we can get any more information since the drain is clear. See right there?
Yeah.
It's a little hole in the pipe.
There's a hole there?
There's a little hole right there.
So I got a couple.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, see how it's leaving right there at the bottom?
Where?
Right. Oh, look right here. See all that? Look. See how the pipe hole right here, right? And as soon as you go, you see right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's a hole.
So the water's 100% coming through there?
There, you see right there?
Mm-hmm.
It's a hole because you see how the bottom of the pipe left? And that's what I was saying. Sometimes when the camera drops down, it'll just be catching on the lip of the pipe when it's trying to go back up and it won't be able to go up.
So he couldn't even get the camera down there when he put it down here last
See?
time.
Now look how wide it got right at that point.
Mm-hmm.
See how wide it got?
Yeah.
Now it's open. And you see how when I say they can punch a hole through the grease, you see how all this grease is sitting at the top of the pipe? That's what's that white, and it look like it's closing in.
Wow.
That's the grease.
Wow.
You see how my camera's starting to drop now?
Wow.
So the camera's starting to drop. So I can't push it no more because sometimes the back of the camera can get hung up and we lost the camera in the pipe. So that's why I have to stop it at right here.
So how far down are you now?
Right now I'm
5 feet.
No, I'm 2 feet into the line. So
Oh,
once I went down, I went over 2 feet, 2.5 feet.
You went, okay, you dropped it down and you went 2 feet in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, this is why the water's coming right there.
That could be.
That could have been broken forever. That just would have went into the earth, though.
Mm-hmm.
This is probably why this is leaking from here.
Yeah. Because you see how all that's gone at the bottom of the pipe. That done rotted away. Then you got all the grease sitting right at the top of the pipe. But we can't go no further because sometimes when cameras drop down at that point and you try to pull them back, they don't come back out.
What do you rate the condition of this pipe 1 to 10? 1 being the worst, 10 being the best.
13.
Oh, so it's
Yeah, it's horrible.
It's a
It's
negative
done.
3.
Yeah, it's done.
Wait, 10. Wait, 10 being the worst.
Yeah.
And 1 being the best.
13.
It's a 13.
Yeah, it's a 13.
That's how bad the condition.
That's how bad it can do. It's done. There's nothing else you can really, nothing you can do for
You
it.
think a snake did this?
No, this is over time. This is over time.
You don't think he put that hole in the pipe?
No, I see this stuff all the time. I can tell you a hole that a snake puts in the pipe don't channel out like that.
This is just splitting.
That's just splitting. That's from over time of the pipe wearing down. Remember I told you that black part that you see with the channel rod? Over time, this pipe had channeled out, then eventually the whole bottom just left.
So, you know what though? Truth be told. Okay. So, that hole where that pipe was broken was where? Like right over here?
We was more into the bedroom.
But not the other unit. Still in this.
Still in this bed, yeah, but in the bedroom over here.
And that's 100% broken.
Yeah, that was broken.
100%.
That's why all that sand dumping in there.
Okay.
You're probably getting some sand dumping in over here, but.
So that's probably why his got backed up.
Mm-hmm.
Because what else would back it up?
Yeah. Then all that sand started rinsing in the line and it's moving down the line. Then it probably got to the section where this ties into the line.
So now this leaks when I put this on.
Mm-hmm.
So that has nothing to do with this break because that's past this.
Yes.
So
that's what I was letting you
this
know.
is leaking directly because of that.
Mm-hmm.
There's no doubt about
There's
it.
no doubt about it. Look at it. It's gone.
So that being broken really has nothing to do with the water coming through the hole here.
No.
It'll come through.
It'll come
laundry.
through when it stopped up. Whenever it stopped up, then yeah, it'll come through. But all that sand probably rinsing down the line. Then because it rinses over to this spot, eventually it piles up. Then the water will start coming back this way because over here is the lowest point. Those over there is the high point because the drains run down with gravity. So the pipe is going to be lower over here and higher over there. So once it starts filling up, it's going to be over here first, then it's going to go back there later. So here's going to get it before way back there gets it.
Mm-hmm.
That's when the clog is over in this area.
So I don't know if you could see. There's a little hole in that concrete,
Yeah.
and that clearly fills up. You want me to put the water on?
No. You don't have to put it on. Right now, it won't fill up because I blew the pipe out. When I ran that water in there, and I got all that water flowing through there, you can run the water right now.
And it won't come through.
It's not going to come through. Put it on.
But, so does that, well, that really doesn't help them. I mean, I still have the problem, but do you think I won't have an issue up anymore then?
Huh? You're going to eventually have the issue again. I can't tell you when, if it's going to be closer down the line or further down the line. You're going to have the issue again.
So, do you think it's an emergency to do this, Charles?
The sooner the better. The sooner the better, because you rather get to it while you have time to play instead of everything's closing in on you and you trying to get to it at the last minute.
I'll take a video of this so I can remember. I mean, I know I'm going to get a copy, but
yeah,
it's easier on my phone. Yeah, it's draining.
Mm-hmm.
And what cleared this out?
That's when I had, remember when I was using
That
the water?
Yeah.
And I cleared it out. I had blew through it. Basically, I made the pipe, I made it pressurized. I pressurized the pipe and made it blow through.
45 seconds. It's still not, yeah. It's going to keep going, huh? But now what? See, like, what's my issue with that pipe now? Like, does that just
What?
Like with that broken pipe?
You're gonna have to eventually get it changed. Like I was telling you, the sooner the better, because sand getting inside the line.
But what does that do? Like right now, like is that? Well, I know sand's getting inside the line, but is that like messing up the foundation because of the water?
We're not. Eventually, it could probably do something to the foundation, but it's not like it's gonna do something to the foundation right now. It's going to be over time.
Well, I don't want it to ever be.
Yeah, no, but I'm saying it'll be over time. Like, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because it's not like, basically what I'm comparing it to, you ever put a water hose to the ground and see how it washes away the dirt? But that's you putting the water full blast to the ground. This is going to work at a little bit slower pace because you're not full blasting the water. And you're not going to run it consistent. Over time, it's going to happen where the dirt finds somewhere else to go, which is inside the line and is just washing up into the system and washing out.
Now, if everyone does laundry at the same time, this definitely very well could back up again.
Yeah, it could, but right now it's draining at a good pace.
Yeah,
so for right now,
because that's right here. I mean, so
yeah, no, I'm just like because for right now I'm letting you know you have relief. It's just that what happens is when you see the water probably start to push out. Because the water's sitting on it. It's not just draining out of the system, the water's just sitting on it. Remember when I told you I seen the water flow pick up on the outside? And I say, hey, look, it may not be running out of the pipe no more. It shouldn't be running out of the pipe. We came back here, it wasn't running out of the pipe no more. Because it can flow through the system. Because we don't push whatever was in there holding, we got it out the system for now.
What would you do if it was you? Like, would you do this right away?
The sooner, like, I'm gonna be honest with me, it'll be the sooner the better. I'm just letting you know that